DJT, stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. So finally, I mean, at least we're seeing a little retracement, and Trump media stock is just, look, I'm very biased towards the bullish side. Context, I'm sticking to a strategy that has previously given me thousands of correct predictions, and I've documented everything. With DJT, all I really wanted to see was like, oh, my bad, here, that. Yeah, this is that second break. Like, we got the first. If there is a second break above 33.66, though, damn, yeah, then I'm really gonna take it up. If not, you know, like, who cares? Really, like, after doing 31, I think 32,000 videos already, I've gotten a lot of data, and the data has given me these results. So obviously, please your own due diligence. But if you want to learn the strategy for free, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. You're like literally saving you 4 years of your time.